This is an event that we're proud to champion and to organise, and really the trick is we organise it but the producers make it happen. They own it now, and we just have to keep running fast enough to keep up with them. A few years back a lot of these people just thought they were commodity farmers. Now they realise they do something special and they're turning it into a special experience and into amazing products.
Scenic Rim is beautiful and it is just visually stunning. The people are friendly and it's only an hour from Brisbane and the Gold Coast.
Lots of great atmosphere, lots of good food. As you can see, there's so many people here, so it's a really good chance to get involved and get active with your local community.
They've got to come and visit. They've got to come and stay.